Welcome to part 2 of learning outcome 4, the LO4 part 2. This is the second part of the differentiation. So this is part 2 now. In this part 2, we're going to look at applications of these. So applications of differentiation. So we want to look at how to actually differentiate trigonometric functions. So we want to look at how to actually differentiate trigonometry functions. So for the first one now, if you have if you say y equals to sine x, then the y dx will be equal to what? Cos x. Please. So differentiating sine gives you what? Cos. If you say y equals to cos x, the y dx will be equal to what? Minus sine x. Y dx equals to what? Minus sine x. So that's how to do it. Let's look at some more practical examples of it. So if you also want to differentiate, if you want to differentiate tan, so if you say y equals to tan x, so the y dx will be equal to sec squared x. So let's now move on to like more examples of it now. So I told you earlier that if you want to differentiate sine x, it gives you cos x. So if you have a function, for example, now y equals to sine kx. So if you say the y dx will be equal to k cos kx. So the practical examples for that is that if you have y equals to sine 5x, so the y dx will be equal to 5 cos 5x. That's it. The y dx will be equal to what? 5 cos 5x. So the same thing applicable to cos too. If you have y equals to 10 cos x, so what is now the y dx? So the y dx equals to what? Minus 10 sine. So sorry, just to cos 10x, sorry. Minus sine what? Sine 10x. That's it. So that's how you see those functions too. Same thing applicable to tan. Don't forget those type of things, because sometimes you will need it when you want to differentiate. So it's just better for you to actually for you to take note of all those things. So if you're asked to do f of x equals to minus x plus tan x. So you have to differentiate it separately. So this one is going to give you what? Minus 1. Oh, don't forget, when you do the y dx, so that gives you sec squared x. So it goes on like that too in different situations. So sometimes you could be given like f of x equals to sine 10x plus cos 5x. So that gives you sine. So when you differentiate sine, that gives you cos. Cos, that gives you minus sine. So this is what? 10 cos 10s plus plus minus sine minus 5 sine 5. So you have it that way. So it's more straightforward when you actually approach it that way. So it won't be a problem for you. So there are few things you have to do, but I will try and put questions on the application of knowledge, so that you guys can actually be able to do so many questions on it, on the applications of knowledge, because basically that one will really benefit you better. So let's see, maybe you can actually FEB go on so this is a short recording of the second part of it. It's not that much, so there's going to be a lot of discussion. When I give you assignments, most of what you're going to do here is going to be assignments. When I give you assignment, there's going to be like a discussion on the questions. So just try and look at it very well. Sorry. So don't want to make it longer. That's why it's in two parts. So thanks for joining. We'll see you next time. Thank you.